Hello students and friends, I am Kali Prasad Panigrai welcomes you to this class. Today in the subject theory of machine, we should discuss about some problems on belt drive. Belt drive is an important topic for the exam point of view as well as competitive exams. So let's start the problem. This is an example of theory of machine book by R.S. Khurmi. Here given that two pulleys, one 450 mm diameter and the other 200 mm diameter, are on parallel shafts 1.95 meter apart and are connected by a crossed belt. Find the length of the belt required. Find the length of the belt required and the angle of contact between the belt and each pulley. Here given that two pulleys are arranged by two parallel shafts. One of pulley is diameter of 450 mm and other is 200 mm diameter, and distance between center of these pulleys are 1.95 meter, and it is connected by a crossed belt. Be careful, maybe open belt or a cross belt. It is a cross belt. Find the length of the belt required and angle of contact. Here two items to be required. What is the length of the belt, and second one is the angle of contact. Remember, this is a crossed belt drive. And second part is what power can be transmitted by the belt when larger pulley rotates 200 revolution per minute. If the maximum permissible tension in the belt is 1 kilonewton and coefficient of friction between the belt and pulley is 0.25. So here we have to calculate three items. First one is the length of the belt, second is the angle of contact between belt and pulley, and third one is the power transmitted. Let's write what are the data are given. Given data: D1 equal to 450 mm diameter, which is equal to 0.45 meter. Therefore, radius of that first pulley equal to, by dividing by 2, 0.225 meter. Next, diameter of the second pulley equal to 200 mm, which is equal to 0.2 meter. Therefore, radius of the second pulley R2 equal to 0.1 meter. Distance between centers of the two pulleys, x equal to 1.95 meter. And given that the speed of the pulley is 200 revolution per minute, and 1 equal to 200 rpm. Given that when the larger pulley we are taking subscription 1, for smaller pulley we are 2. So n1 given that 200 rpm. And maximum permissible tension, always tension in the tight side is more than the tension in the slack side. Therefore, tension in the tight side, that is T1 equal to 1 kilonewton, which is equal to 1000 newton. And given that coefficient of friction between belt and pulley is 0.25. Now you have to calculate what is the speed of the belt, that is V. V equal to pi D1 N1 by 60, or we may also calculate pi D2 N2 by 60 because slip is not occurring here. So given that N1 equal to 200 rpm, so we are using D1, pi D1 N1 by 60, which is equal to pi into 0.45 into 200 by 60 equal to 4.714 meter per second. This is the speed of the belt which is to be used for the calculation of the power. Next, we have to find out the length of the belt. For open belt, length formula is different, and for a cross belt, length of the belt formula is different. So here we use the formula for the length of the belt of cross belt. Length of belt for cross belt, L equal to pi of R1 plus R2 plus 2x plus R1 plus R2 square upon x. This derivation was discussed in the previous video. If you are not attending that class, you may refer the previous video. By putting the value of r1, r2 and x, we get the length of the cross belt is 4.975 meter. This is one of the answer. Length of the belt of the cross belt is 4.975. Next, angle of contact between belt and each pulley we have to find. Here you have to remember that in cross belt, angle of contact at driver and follower are equal. But in case of open belt drive, angle of contact at driver is more than angle of contact at follower. So here angle of contact between belt and pulley at driver is equal to driven. So in both cases that is equal, and that is 180 degree plus 2 alpha. Angle of contact for the cross belt drive is theta equal to 180 degree plus 2 alpha, where we may use sin alpha equal to r1 plus r2 by x. For open belt drive, that is sin alpha equal to r1 minus r2 by x. The derivation of the angle of contact, which is discussed in the previous video. If you are not attending that class, you may watch that one. We know that for a cross belt drive, sin alpha equal to r1 plus r2 upon x. By putting the value of r1, r2 and x, we may get 0.1667, and alpha equal to sin inverse of 0.1667, we may get alpha equal to 9.6 degree. But angle of contact theta equal to 180 degree plus 2 alpha for the cross belt drive, which is equal to 180 degree plus 2 into 9.6 degree, which is equal to 199.2 degree. But angle of contact always should be mentioned in the radian. So we have to convert this degree form into radian by multiplying of pi upon 180. We may get converted into degree to radian. So that is equal to 199.2 into pi by 180 degree equal to 3.477 radian. This is the one of the answer for the question, that is angle of contact between belt and pulley equal to 3.477 radian. And the last one we have to calculate, that is power transmitted by the belt. Here given that for power, we know that the formula for the power transmitted by the belt, P equal to T1 minus T2 into velocity of the belt. Given that T1 equal to 1000 Newton, but T2 is not given, and velocity we had already calculated, that is 4.714 meter per second. By using the relation ratio of tensions in a belt drive, T1 by T2 equal to e to the power of mu theta. By putting the value of mu and theta, we may get T1 by T2 equal to 2.387. You have to write T1 by T2 equal to 2 e to the power of mu theta. T1 by T2 equal to e to the power of mu theta. By putting the value of mu and theta, we may get T1 by T2 equal to 2.387. From that, T2 equal to T1 by 2.387, which is equal to 419 Newton. This is the tension in the slack side, that is equal to T2. Now by using the relation, we may calculate the power transmitted by the belt, P equal to T1 minus T2 into V. By putting the values of T1, T2 and V, we may get power equal to 2740 watt, and by dividing 1000 we may convert this one into 2.74 kilowatt. This much of power transmitted by this belt. So answers for that one: length of the belt is 4.975 meter, and angle of contact between belt and pulley is 3.477 radian, and third one, the power transmitted by the belt is 2.74 kilowatt. I hope we should understood clearly. If somewhat doubt, you may give comments. Thank you for watching. And have a good day.